Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. What is binary number system? The binary number system, also called the base 2 number system, is a method of representing numbers that counts by using combinations of only two numerals 0 and 1. Computers use the binary number system to manipulate and store all of their data, including numbers, words, videos, graphics, and music. Next question: what is number system? Number systems are the technique to represent numbers in the computer system architecture. Every value that you are saving or getting into or from computer memory has a defined number system. Computer architecture supports following number systems: binary number system, octal number system. Next question is, what is octal number system? The octal number system, or you can say octal numeral system, or oct for short, is the base 8 number system and uses the digits 0 to 7. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means 8 numbers. Octal numerals can be made from binary numerals by grouping consecutive binary digits into groups of 3, starting from the right. For example, the binary representation for decimal 74 is 1001010. What is hexadecimal number? Hexadecimal number system is the type of number representation techniques in which their value of base is 16, means 0 to 15. That means there are only 16 symbols or possible digits value. There are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 that will be represented by A, 11 is equal to B, 12 is equal to C, 13 is equal to D, 14 is equal to E and 15 is equal to F, means 0 to 15 number. That means 16 numbers. Question number 5. What is decimal number system? Decimal is a term that describes the base 10 number system, probably the most commonly used number system. The decimal number system consists of 10 single digit numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In computing, the binary, octal or hexadecimal number system may be used instead of the decimal system. So students, today I am going to teach you Introduction to MS Access. First, I will discuss what is data, then information, then difference between data and information. Later on, I will discuss more topics. First, I will start from what is data. Data is a collection of unprocessed or raw items which can include text, numbers, images, audio and video. Or you can say data is defined as facts or figures or information that's stored in or used by a computer. Example, information collected for a research paper. Information. Information is data that has been processed in such a way as to be meaningful to the person who receives it. It is anything that is communicated, or you can say information is processed data that is it is organized, meaningful and useful. In addition to documents, information can be in the form of audio, images and video. Difference between data and information. Information is a processed, organized data presented in a given context and is useful to humans. Data is an individual unit that contains raw material which does not carry any specific meaning. Information is a group of data that collectively carry a logical meaning. Database. A database is a data structure that stores organized information. Most databases contain multiple tables which may each include several different fields. Example, a company database may include tables for products, employees, and financial records. A manual database. A manual database is a database which is based on paper, that is, data is written on paper. Example, phone book. Computerized database. A computerized database means data that we stored in computer in an organized and structured form, and it is more useful in terms of speed and ease. It can be done by database application. Next, database management system. In short, a DBMS is a database program. Technically speaking, it is a software system that uses a standard method of cataloging, retrieving, and running queries on data. The DBMS manages incoming data, organizes it, and provides way for the data to be modified or extracted by users or other programs. Example, MySQL, Microsoft Access, SQL Server, Oracle, RDBMS, DBase, etc. Relational database. A relational database system contains one or more objects called tables. Tables are uniquely identified by their names and are comprised of columns and rows. Columns contain the column name, data type, and any other attributes for the column. Row contains the records or data for the columns. Attribute. A data field represents an attribute. Attribute means a characteristic or quality of some entity like object, person, place, or event. Record. Record means a record represents a collection of attributes that describe a real world entity. A record consists of fields with each field describing an attribute of the entity. What are the applications of database? Applications where we use database management systems are telecom. There is a database to keep track of the information regarding calls made, network usage, customer details, etc. Without the database systems, it is hard to maintain that huge amount of data that keeps updating every millisecond. Industry, where it is a manufacturing unit, warehouse, or distribution center, each one needs a database to keep the records of ins and out. For example, distribution center should keep a track of the product units that supplied into the center as well as the products that got delivered out from the distribution center on each day. This is where DBMS comes into picture. Banking system for storing customer information, tracking day-to-day credit and debit transactions, generating bank statements, etc. All this work has been done with the help of database management system. Sales to store customer information, production information and invoice details. Online shopping. You must be aware of the online shopping websites such as Amazon, Flipkart, etc. These sites store the product information, your addresses and preferences, credit details, and provide you the relevant list of products based on your query. All this involves our database management system. Next, components of database. Database have several components, each performing very significant tasks in the database management system environment. There is a list of components. Table. A table is in the form of rows, means records, and columns, means field, where you store the data. Record. A record is a database entry that may contain one or more values. Groups of records are stored in a table which defines what types of data each record may contain. Records are often called rows since each new record creates a new row in the table. Next, field. A field is a column in a table. A field represents a defined attribute that is stored for all the records in a table. A collection of fields is called a record. Data type. Each field can have only one kind of data. That is called the data type of that field. While creating a table, you have to specify the kind of data that can be stored in that field. Next, form. They provide a user interface that lets the users enter and change data in the tables. Reports. Reports are the layouts designed for viewing or printing the data of a database. By using reports, you can view the records of a table in a well-designed layout as per your requirement. Next, macros. Macros are the set of instructions that help you calculate your repetitive tasks performed on a database. Next, queries. A query is a questions put up on the database to view the records matching the criteria defined by you. Using a query, you can view or manipulate a selected set of the data stored in a single table or multiple related tables. Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a relational database management system that helps you store information for reference, reporting, and analysis. MS Access helps you analyze larger amount of information and manage related data more efficiently. It can combine data from various files through creating relationships and can make data entry more efficient and accurate. The data is arranged in the form of tables in Microsoft Access. Every specific piece of information is known as value. A value is located at the intersection of a column and a row. Each individual entry in the table is called a record. Example, student table, the fields or information about each student in a separate record. Each record is composed of one or more fields that contain individual pieces of data. Student fields may include roll number, name, address, and class. All MS Access databases files are saved with extension .mdb. Microsoft Access features. Ideal for individual users and smaller teams. Easier than client-server database to understand and use. Import and export to other Microsoft Office and other applications. Means you can access, suppose you are working on Excel sheet. If you want to access that particular Excel sheet using Microsoft Access, yes, you can access Excel sheet using Microsoft Access. Ready templates for regular users to create and publish data. You can get ready-made template. Allows building and publishing web databases effortlessly. You can create database for web application. A user-friendly feature. Yes, you can get over there forms and reports. Using this feature, you can change or edit your data. Homework for today is, what is the difference between data and information? Write short notes on manual database and computerized database. What is database? What are the components of DBMS? Thank you.